Hello, welcome back. Okay, so today's tutorial is on this look right here. If you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, hi, welcome back. I don't have a backdrop today. I figured I'm just gonna go sans backdrop, mainly because I don't want to put one up right now. I figured I'd try something new. I feel like I've heard a lot of people say they like it better when it's like a more casual background, so welcome to my room. Let me know what you like better, if you like a plain, clean backdrop, or if you like just seeing me here in my natural habitat. Which I'm always here, but when I have a backdrop you just can't see my room. Let's just jump right into this tutorial. I'm gonna start by using this peach lip scrub because I just want to use this first. So I recently went to a Too Faced event at their headquarters here in Orange County, and the event was for the Peaches and Cream line because they added like some products to that line. So they hooked it up with like a bunch of products from that line, and I'm going to be using all those products today in this video. So right now I'm just kind of scrubbing my lips with this peach lip scrub. It smells really good, by the way. It tastes kind of good too. And then I'm just going to wipe that off. My lips are always so chapped. So after I use the lip scrub, I'm going to apply a little bit of this peach lip balm. They both are in similar packaging, but as you can see, one is a lip scrub and one is a lip balm. So I'm going to put the lip balm on right now, and I'm just going to let that sit on my lips while I finish the rest of my face. This one also smells so good. Okay, so that's just going to chill on my lips while I do the rest. I've never used any of these products from this line except for this palette, so I'm really excited. This is kind of like a first impressions video for me also. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying some of this primer. This is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So I'm just going to pump out a little bit onto my fingers. Let's see if this smells like peaches too. Oh, it does. It smells good. So it kind of reminds me of like Benefit Professional, like the consistency. It does feel really refreshing though. It totally feels cooling as it says. So I'm just focusing this kind of in like my T-zone area, and then whatever product is left on my fingers, just moving it all around. It is a mattifying primer. Next, I'm going to go in with the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is an oil-free 14-hour wear, oil-controlling, photo-friendly foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. At this event that I went to, they color matched me. I had a fake tan on, so this might be a little bit dark. It looks pretty dark, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Because I still have fake tan on my skin. As you can see, my face is much lighter than my body, but it's not as dark as it was the other day at this event. So we're gonna see how this looks. And I'm just blending this out with my damp beauty blender. This looks like really dark. So this is looking pretty dark. It is like matching kind of. I don't know, it's pretty dark. Wow, look like I just went on a tropical vacation. This foundation is very matte. Keep that in mind. Okay, so because this foundation is pretty dark, it actually doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Naked Skin concealer in light, and I'm just gonna apply some of this underneath my eyes just to kind of lighten up my face a little bit, as well as like highlight underneath my eyes. So hopefully this helps. Okay, that looks a little bit better. It just kind of like brightened up my face a little bit, kind of added some lightness because that foundation was pretty dark. Okay, so I'm going to move on to bronzer. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Chocolate Matte Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I love this bronzer. I love all Too Faced stuff because it freaking smells good. This one smells like chocolate. All the peach stuff smells like peaches. I just love it so much. So I'm going to take some of this bronzer, and I'm just going to use it to kind of contour a little bit, as well as bronze up the edges of my face. I don't want to get too bronzy because I'm already pretty dark with this foundation, but I'm going to contour my cheeks with it, as well as warm up my forehead. And I'm using my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. Okay, by the way, I feel like this Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer tastes good. I don't ever intentionally taste it, but I feel like the powder like kind of like gets in my mouth. Like, is that weird? I feel like it's like I'm like blending and the powder's like kind of going in my mouth and I can like taste it. And I think this every time I use it. Maybe it's just psychological because I can smell it and it smells so good, but I swear. I don't want to like lick it, but maybe I should. It's literally sweet. I just licked it. You can see the little lick mark. It's sweet. It tastes good. I don't recommend to eat your makeup, but it fucking tastes good. I'm going to take this along my jawline just to kind of contour my jaw a little bit. Make it more defined because your girl has a weak ass chin, so let's create a shadow so it looks like I have a better chin. So I'm going to take this Sigma 3D HD Precision little brush and I'm going to use this to kind of just contour my nose a little bit. So I don't like to get too crazy with the nose contour, but I do like to do a little something to my nose because I feel like your nose can get kind of like lost in the shuffle when you're doing your makeup. So I just want to give it a little definition. I don't want it to like just melt into my face, you know? I want my nose to like, I want you to see like, oh, there's her nose. So I want to do like a light, simple look on my eyes today. And for my eyes, I'm going to be using, of course, the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, part of their Peaches and Cream line. I don't know. Part of me wants to just do like full shimmer on my lid, but is that like boring? I don't know. I don't want to be like crazy dark eyes today. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is called Candied Peach. And it has like a thicker, it's not like a shimmer. It has like glitter in it. And I'm just going to put this into, oh, it's like almost like a neon orange. I'm just going to apply this into my crease and I'm going to be using it as my transition shade. Do you want me to zoom you guys in? Is that better? Do you guys like to see things close up? Okay, I'm using my Sigma Blending E25 brush and I'm kind of just like packing this into my crease before I blow it out. So I packed a little bit into my crease and now I'm just going to use circular motions to blow this out like up a little past my crease onto my brow bone a little bit. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Luscious. It's like a shimmery champagne color. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to apply this to my lid using my finger. So I'm just applying this all over my lid, trying to focus it on my lid and not let it go beyond my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the same brush I used to blow out that orangey shade and I'm just going to diffuse my crease because I don't want that shimmer to go too far into my crease. I want it to stay focused on my lid area. That is so pretty. Super pretty. Yeah, I want this look to just be like fun and colorful and bright and the color peaches. It's like a peach Bellini on my eye. Okay, so before I finish this eye look, I'm going to do my brows off camera really quick and then we will finish the under eye and I'll be right back. Okay, did my brows real quick. Been feeling just like a natural looking brow lately, but let's finish this eye look. So I'm going to take the same orange shade that I used here in my crease and I am going to blow that out along my lower lash line. I'm just using the same little Sigma brush that I used before. And that's pretty much it for this eye look. So now I'm going to apply my false lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Bambi lashes. I just love how these are like big and like wispy looking. So I'm going to pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I love these lashes, but I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to the base of my lashes and to my lower lash line just to blend my falsies in with everything, and I just feel like adding a little bit of mascara helps everything. Okay, and now that we are done with our eyes, I'm going to zoom you guys back out, and we will finish with the face. Okay, so I want to bake a little bit before I highlight. So I'm going to be using the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. And I'm just going to use this to bake, not really bake, more like carve out some areas of my face. How do you use it? Just spilled it all over. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my beauty blender in here. And I'm going to apply this here just to kind of like perfect my little cheek contour. I use this to kind of like make it more defined, just define that area. And then I also like to carve out my nose a little bit. So I don't really like to bake underneath my eyes because I feel like I'm getting old and I have wrinkles, so it like accentuates my wrinkles. So I just focus it right here along my nose. I'll also take this down the bridge of my nose and then a little up here on my forehead as well, just to kind of set my forehead area because it gets a little oily up there. Oh, and then I forgot my chin also. And then of course I'll do this on the other side. Every single one of these products smells like peaches. Can't forget to do the other side of my nose. Well, kind of fuck that one up. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for like 1 minute and then I'm gonna wipe it away. I don't like to bake for too long because A, this foundation is a matte foundation, and B, because I don't want to be too freaking dry. Okay, so after that sits for like 1 minute, then I just lightly brushing away the setting powder and also just like whatever is left, using it to like set the rest of my face really lightly. I don't like to use a lot of setting powder except for in those specific areas that I just set. And so far I love all of these products. They seem like really good quality. I'm really picky about my eyeshadows and I'm really impressed by these Too Faced eyeshadows. So next I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to be using this blush from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Love Flush Love Hangover Blush. All of their packaging is so freaking cute. I'm just like really lightly applying this. I love blush, but I don't like dramatic blush. Okay, perfect. Okay, so before I highlight, I'm going to use this Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I'm sure this one smells just as good as everything else. So I love their Hangover RX setting spray. So good. So I'm hoping I'm going to love this too. So I'm going to set my face with this. And before that fully dries, I'm going to use the Sugar Peach Face and Eye Palette to highlight. And I'm going to take this shade right here called Peach Pearl, and using my Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush, I'm going to highlight with this. Ooh, so pretty. Wow, I'm being a little extra with this highlight, but it's okay. So I'm just going to highlight the usual areas of my face. Let's just be super glowy today. I have a weak chin, so I like to highlight that bitch. My Cupid's bow area, accentuate my top lip that is so sad, and down the bridge of my nose. I think highlighting is my favorite part. Oh my god, I look like a fucking disco ball. Wow. Girl, you are highlighted. Definitely not lacking in the highlight department, friends. My friends. Okay, we're almost done. I just need to put my lips on and then we'll be done. So before I apply my lipstick, I'm just going to apply a little bit of my favorite lip liner from NYX. It is the Natural Lip Liner. And I'm going to use this to overline my lips. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have some lip liner on and it looks like I have some fucking lips, girl, I'm going to apply some lipstick. This one is from Too Faced from the Peaches and Cream collection. It is in the shade Sunday Funday and it looks like kind of like a mauve brown nude color. Really pretty. By the way, this collection is really just so fun. Look at the detail. There's little peaches on here. Okay, now there was a couple different colors that I wanted to try, but this one seemed like it would be the one that I like because I like nudes like this. So I'm gonna put this one on. Oh yeah, it's literally perfect. This is probably my new go-to lipstick, honestly. It's like the same exact color as the lip liner that I have on, which I love. I love a lip color like this, just like a mauve nude color. And these are their Moisture Matte Longwear Lipstick. So it is a matte lipstick. It does feel like I can move my lips around. It's not super drying, but it is matte. And I freaking love this color. It's my new favorite lipstick, 100%. So pretty. Okay, I'm obsessed. This is a me color, 100%. 100% a me color. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face one more time just because this is my favorite part. So that is it for this look. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I love it. And I really loved all these products. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my future videos. Let me know if you like this background better than like the backdrop that I always do, because I want to know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!